Hi, welcome to my video on solving two-digit word problems, part 2. Let's solve some problems, solve each. Let's do this example A. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. The number is 16 times the units digit. Find the number. Well, we know we have a two-digit number, so that means we have a tens and a units. And what we have to do to start off, we let t be the tens digit, and we let u be the units digit. So let's read the sentence. The sum of the digits of the two-digit number is 10. So notice I said the sum of the digits, a two-digit number. So we got a t and u. So the sum is t plus u is 10. Now you can take a guess. If the digits as of 10, you can say 9 and 1. It could be 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 4 and 6. It could be any combination. The number is 16 times the units digit. So the number, remember the number is 10t plus u is the number. Is an equal sign. 16 times the units digits. So 16 times the unit digit, which is u. And so what we can do is tidy up this equation to make it better. So 10t plus u minus 16u equals 0. So 10t minus 15t, 15u equals 0. So let's take this to be equation 1, and let's take this to be equation 2. So what we'll do, we'll take the two equations and put them on top, one on the top and one on the bottom. Notice I have them in order. So this is equation 1, that's equation 2. I simplified this equation to become this, and I'm going to do elimination. So I'm going to multiply by, I'm going to eliminate the t's. I'm going to multiply by negative 10. Because that's a 10t, I want a negative 10t. So when I multiply, I get negative 10 times t, negative 10t, negative 10 times u, negative 10u, negative 10 times 10 is negative 100. And I write multiply this equation by 1, or just leave it like it is. So 10t minus 15u equals 0. Because I have them lined up, and I'm going to eliminate. When I add these, the t's cancel out, and I add, I get a negative 25u equals negative 100. So I divide by negative 25. Cancels, I get a 1u, and I get u is 4. So I have one unit digit is 4. I need to get the 10 digits, so it's best to go. I'm going to sub 4u into. So I have a choice to put it into equation 1 or equation 2. Equation 1 is easier, so I'm going to put it into equation 1. So t plus u equals 10. So the unit digit is 4. So t equals 10 minus 4, t equals 6. And it says find the number. Well, I have the tens digit and the units digit. So the number is 10t plus u. So t is 6. The unit digit is 4. 60 plus 4 gives me 64 for the number. So the number is 64. And we have one solved. Let's do another one. Here we go. Again, this is an example to illustrate how we're doing it. And we got the sum of triple the unit digit and 1 is twice the tens digit. The original number less 18 is the same as the number with the digits reversed. Find the two-digit number. Again, we have a two-digit number, so we'll let t be the tens digit, and we'll let U be the units digit. So we got T and U. Now the sum, this is one sentence right here, another one here. They're going to give two equations. The sum of triple the unit digit in 1. So the sum of triple the unit digit in 1. So triple the units digit is 3 times U and 1. So sum means add. So there's triple the unit digit in 1. That's the sum of those two. Is the equal sign. And it says twice the tens digit. So that's twice T. So that's equation 1 coming out of the first sentence. So let's see. I'm going to write the other equation over here because sometimes we have to solve these. And if I put one here and one here, I'm able to solve them and show you what's happening. The original number. So the original number is 10t plus u. Because every time you see the number, you got to go 10t plus u or 10u plus t. The original number less 18. The original number subtract 18. So that's a subtraction sign there. I put an equal there. So the original number less 18 is the same as the number with the digits reversed. So the numbers with the digits reversed is 10u plus t. So there's the equation, but let's tidy this equation up. This is number 2 equation, but we're going to tidy it up. So 10t, this t comes over here to become a minus, and u, and this 10u goes over to the left to become a minus, and the 18, which is negative, goes to the right to become positive. Add, I get 9t minus 9u equals 18. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, just a little trick here. Notice that 9 is a factor of each of these terms. I can divide everything by 9 if I want, and I'll get an easier equation. But right now, I'm just going to let it stay like that. So that's equation 2. So what I can do is take this equation is t, u, and a number. I'm going to make this one t, u, and a number. So I'm bringing the 2t over to become negative, leaving the u right there, and bringing the 1 to the right side to become negative. Now the two equations are lined up. So let's write down those two equations, one on top of the other, because a lot of times it's good to deal with elimination. But that's, again, whatever you wish, not me. So there's the two equations. Equation 1 is right there. Equation 2 is there. They're all lined up. So I have to multiply. So I need, this is a negative 9, so I need a 9. And that's a 9 and a 2, so that means I would have to multiply this one by 9 and this one by 2 to get them the opposite. So it's easier to eliminate the u, because I only need a 3 times 3 to give me the opposite of this 9. Multiply this one by 1. So when I multiply this one by 3, I get a negative 6t. 3 times 3u is plus 9u. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Multiplying by 1 will not change the equation. So 1 times this stays the same. And I'm eliminating the u's, so the u's are gone. And when I add, I get 3t equals 15. Divide by 3, and they cancel to get 1. I get the units digit to be 5. Now I have a choice. I can go with put it back in here, or I can put it back in here, or I can put it back where I want. So I'm going to sub 5 4t into, and let's put it into number 1. So 3u plus 1 equals 2t. T, I said 5 for t, so 3u plus 1 equals 5 goes in for t. So 3u plus 1 equals 10. Have to multiply before we add. So 3u equals 10 minus 1. 3u equals 9. Divide by 3. 3's cancel to give me 1u. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is find the two-digit number. So the number is 10t plus u. So the number is 10, t is 5, and that's a u, and u is 3, so that gives me 50 plus 3, which is 53. So the number is 53. So again, hopefully you're seeing some pattern here. Okay, and we have another one. So this one I left to say word practice means you can, once you read this over, pause your video and work this out on a sheet of paper and press play again to see if you're going to get it right. Here we go. Practice. The units digit of a two-digit number is one more than triple the tens digit. The number is twice the units digit plus 13. Find the number. So again, we have to let t be the tens digit, and we let u be the units digit. And we need the number, so let's see. The units digit of the two-digit number, the units digit. So the units digit is u, is one more than triple the tens. So one more than means add on, so triple the tens digit, add on 1. So that's equation 1. Let's find out what the next sentence is going to give it. The number is twice the units digit plus 13. So the number is 10t plus u, is an equal sign, twice the units digit plus 13, twice the units digit plus 13. So that's equation 2. Notice this equation is already solved for u. So based on that, I'm going to do a substitution. I'm going to sub in 3t plus 1 for u into this. But to do that, I'm going to tidy up this equation. So I have 10t plus u minus 2u equals 13. So 10t minus u equals 13. So this equation is a better equation to deal with rather than deal with this one. So I'm going to sub 3t plus 1 for u into, remember this is number 1, so I have to sub it into number 2. And the better equation is 10t minus u equals 13. So I'm subbing 3t plus 1 for u. So 10t minus, notice I got to do a bracket, 3t plus 1 equals 13. So notice that minus, there's the u, so I put the minus there, and I have to put this in so the bracket goes around for the u. Simplify this. So notice this could be a subtraction. So I go 10t. When you subtract, you add on the opposite. So that's a plus, so we make it a minus. That's a plus 1, so we make it a minus. But a little trick I showed you earlier on, if you put a 1 right here, you could go negative 1 times 3t, negative 3t, negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So now we want to simplify this, so they're close together. So I can say 10t minus 3t is 7t equals 13 plus 1. 7t is 14, divide by 7, and I get t is equal to 2. And if t is equal to 2, then I want to find what u is. And a better equation is right there. Because when you put t in here, you get u on that side. So I'm going to sub 2 for t into. And number 1 is the better equation. So write down number 1 equation. So u equals 3t plus 1. There it is. I'm subbing 2 in for t. So 2 goes in for t. And that gives me 6 plus 1 is 7. So they want the number again. So the number is or equals 10t plus u. T is 2. The u is 7. And that's 20 plus a 7. So the number is 27. How'd you make out? Hopefully everything is going okay. Notice this problem had both. It had the sum of the digits and it had the number. So hopefully you're getting the pattern for the digits, two-digit numbers. Practice. Let's see what number 2 is. The unit digit of a two-digit number is triple the tens digit. Okay, that's T and U. The number with the digits reversed is twice the original number increased by 15. Find the number with the digits reversed. I could find the original number then reverse the digits, so I have a choice at the end. Here we go. So I'm going to let T be the tens digit. And then I'm going to let U be the units digit. So we have always state what you're doing in every word problem. So let the marker, the teacher, whoever is looking at it know what's happening. The units digit of the two-digit number. So the units digit is U of the two-digit number. Is triple the tens. Triple the tens. So the units digit is triple the tens digit. Okay. The number with the digits reversed. The number with the digits reversed. So that's 10u plus t. Is an equal sign. Twice the original number. So that's twice the original number. So that's 10t plus u. Increased by 15. So there's the equation. So we look like if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, it looks like, let's tidy up this equation to make it better. So 10u plus t. We multiply to get rid of brackets, so it's 20t plus 2u plus 15. Now let's move all the t's. So we got a t minus 20t plus 10u minus 2u equals 15. So I move all the variables over to the left and put t first and then the u second. So negative 19t plus 8u. So that's a 1. Subtract 20 is negative 19. 10 subtract 2 is 8 equals 15. So this is the new equation, number 2. For substituting in, I wouldn't substitute into this one. I would substitute into this one. And if you make an error, and the error is here, then it won't work. So you got to go back and check anyway. So this equation is already solved for you. So I'm going to sub that into number 2. So I'm going to sub 3t 4u into number 2. Number 2, this one. So that's negative 19t plus 8u equals 15. So I'm subbing in here. So 3t for u. So u is going to become 3t. We're subbing in. And that gives us negative 19t plus 24t. Remember PEMDAS, we have to multiply these two before we can do any adding. And that's done. There's no simplification in the brackets. There's no exponents. You just got to multiply these two first before I add or subtract. That gives me 5t equals 15. Negative 19, 24 is 5. Divide by 5, and I get t is equal to 3. Now, I have to, I got t, so I need to get u. So I could put t in here, but I'd have to do some work. It's better to put t into number 1. So I'm going to sub 3, 4t into number 1 is easier. So I'll write down number 1, u equals 3t, and t is 3, so t is 3, put in brackets, so 3 times 3 is 9, and the number equals, what's the number? 10. Now, I got a choice. I can say the number is 10t plus u, and go 10 times 3 plus the unit digit is 9. That will give me 30 plus 9. That will give me 39. Now, it reads, find the number with the digit reverse. So, the digits, the number, I'm going to reverse digits, just put reverse there, is 93. So I could have got the number and then reversed them. Or, watch this, or I want the number with the digits reversed. I could have said the number with the digits reversed, the number, reverse digits, just put reversed there, is 10u plus t. So I can go 10 times the unit digit, which is 9, plus the 10th digit is 3. So that would give me a 90 plus 3, which is 93. So you could have got the two digits 3 and 9 and filled in here and got 93 without going through this. So either or, you can do, find a number then reverse them, or you can write down this expression and get the 93. Either way, you can do that, or you can do that. Your choice to get the 93. But we have the number 93. And that brings us to the end of our video. And if you like my video, click the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, because there's more videos coming. Visit my math website, www.mathsfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and my content is on my YouTube channel, Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.